Hey guys, it's Asheli from Ready to Reviews, and today, I better slow down. I've had a lot of coffee. Today we're unboxing Spice Breeze. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I unbox this and cook with this recipe every month. I do not do the recipes on the channel. I know some of you in the past have expressed that that upsets you. I don't have the camera equipment or the space to have like filming for my videos, so I just take step-by-step pictures and I put them in my blog. I will link to that below. You can see one of the recipes in this subscription brought to fruition. So if that's something that you're interested in, I know I'd gotten some mixed reviews about that. Anyway, so this package sends you on a monthly culinary adventure. There are two different options. There's the Duo, which includes 2 recipes that they'll choose and send to you. That's $5.90 a month. Or the Quad, which is the 2 that are in the Duo plus 2 that you choose. They'll give you like a selection in an email, and then you'll get to choose your others, and that's $11.85. This is a great one. I really love this. So let's go on here. I think that's everything I have to say. I'll also link to them below so you can check them out. My kids also, by the way, my kids are very unpicky. I know some kids aren't. It's just something that I've really pushed for them to try to eat as much as they can and try different things and not be scared of food in general, because I see that in a lot of adults that I know, and I know it starts at home, like it starts here. So my kids always look forward, especially my oldest. She looks forward to this. She's like, when are we going to do the one where you make the fun food, the exotic food? I was like, when I get it. So this is their Happy New Year package. I do get these as a reviewer, so they come a little later. And then, here, let's open this up. Look at how pretty. Oh, I smell, oh, Grains of Paradise. I actually needed this for a recipe, so I smell licorice. All right, so I'm looking here and I'm seeing Ras El Hanout, which is a very common seasoning blend. We'll find out in a second because I have some upstairs actually. And then, so each of these spice kits belongs to one of the corresponding recipes. So I have this is the Quad, so you'll have 4. But also look, Happy New Year, they have the genie. I don't know if you can see that. Let's put it against here. Does that make it? I was like, what are you doing here? We'll put it against, oh, here. How about that? Can you see the genie? Oh, there you see. It says, may all your wishes come true. All right, anyway, let's look at our spice blends, our recipes. Ras El Hanout, this is North African. It's a very common, almost like a table seasoning. When a spice shop owner in North Africa uses its magic to create an extraordinary spice blend, it is called Ras El Hanout, head of the shop. The quantity and quality of the selected spices depend on the wealth of the customer. This recipe includes a blend of 23 ingredients, including precious long pepper, grains of paradise, rosebud, and mace. You will love it. So it does include in total cumin, coriander, paprika, black pepper, nutmeg, allspice, grains of paradise, ginger, nigella, caraway, cinnamon, rosebud, mace, anise, brown mustard, turmeric, chamomile, long pepper, cardamom, fenugreek, cloves, and chili powder. All right, so I'll show you that. That might be the one I'm smelling, very much likelihood, since it does have I don't know cardamom. That might be what I'm smelling. All right, then we have, do you want to say hi? Come here. She did this, I'm like jam packing some videos in, and she did this in the last video too. She's looking at the lights. I wonder if she is like, what are they? Okay. She's starting to, all right, she's starting to get angry at me. Let's not go too far down that path. All right. So next up we have this Mailbox. I don't know exactly how to pronounce that, but that is right here. I've never heard of this before. This is a Sichuan culinary spice kit. You will never forget the name of this dish from the Chinese region Sichuan. In its classic version, thin glass noodles, also called bean threads, soak up sauce made with ground meat. The result looks like ants are climbing on tree twigs. That's why Mailbox translate to ants on a tree. We use easier to find thin spaghetti and optional healthy vegetables. Our spice blend with shiitake powder is full of umami. This spice blend includes cinnamon, fennel, garlic, shiitake mushrooms, black pepper, cloves, and star anise. I don't know which one I'm going to make yet. All right, so then We have Mustard Dal, which is an Indian culinary spice kit. I will show you that right here. That is this one. This has definitely got some curry vibes to it, but from the looks of the yellow. So this one, on a cold evening, this easy and fast Indian lentil soup. My daughter has been pesting me to make lentil soup, so I'm probably gonna make this. Will lighten up your mood. Its warming spice blend will cover your home with an exotic breeze and transfer you into a dream of wellness and relaxation. Coconut milk, which I have on hand, adds a hint of sweetness. Select from plenty of toppings to make it your personal feel-good favorite. This includes cumin, cardamom, cinnamon cloves, lemon verbena, turmeric, white pepper, yellow mustard, chili, and coriander, red lentils, tomato puree, coconut milk, onion, garlic, and coconut oil. All of which I have. And then optionally you can add cilantro, coconut flakes. I have all that stuff. I don't like raisins, so I won't add those. Really don't like raisins. I know that's like a thing. Like, people love raisins. They're just like this universal. Don't like them. Plain yogurt and fresh chili are optional ingredients as well. So that sounds like a really great option. All right, then finally though, this final recipe here is acai bowl. It's a Brazilian dish. I didn't know that, but those are popular. All right, so let's look at the, right here it is. Ooh, so this must be powder of the acai because it has that beautiful plum. I don't know if it's picking up here. It's like a purple, like an eggplant color. All right, in this so let's read the little intro here. Acai berries come from acai palm trees that grow in the Amazonian rainforest. It's told that they are named after an Amazonian girl. Her name was Laka. Her name Laka is acai spelled backwards. Ayaka. I thought it was an L. My bad. The fruits from the trees saved her tribe from hunger. They have been an indispensable part of the Brazilian diet ever since. In some regions, the dinner table is not complete without a bowl of acai pulp as a filling side dish. Our take on the acai bowl adds the benefits of the trendy superfruit with organic acai powder. So all that is just acai powder, and then you add a frozen berry mix of your choice. You can also opt to add some agave syrup, a tablespoon of your favorite nut or seed butter, baby spinach or kale leaves, and then you can top it with slices of fresh fruit, rolled oat flakes, coconut flakes, granola, chia, flax, sunflower, pumpkin seeds, dried goji berries. The options are yours. And those grains of paradise are extra, and I actually need these for a recipe, so I'm super pumped. I just don't remember what recipe it was for. So one of the things that I want to just really, if you've made it this far, thanks for watching. One of the things I want to say about this subscription though is that the recipes are highly customizable. So like if they say beef, you can opt for something else. If you want to do ground turkey and it says ground beef, you can do that if you're on a diet. Also, as far as skill levels, there is something for everyone. So some of these are a little harder, some of them are for like a Saturday or Sunday, and some of them for like a Wednesday night when you're rushing around and you need something quick. As long as you prep it all and you know what you're going to make beforehand, you've got it. So that's something to be said. I've never encountered a recipe that I could not create or that I thought was like too complex for me. And I have 4 kids and I cook, they're all over the place when I'm cooking. So that's something to think about as well. So I will link down below to my full review, and I will link to Spice Breeze as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.